Hello, dear English learners. I'm Anna. Today's words are about nature and the environment.
And I'm Tom. Let's start with the first word, pollution.
Yes, pollution means dirty or harmful things in air, water, or land. For example, air pollution is dangerous.
Word number 2 is renewable. Renewable means something that can be used again. For example, solar energy is renewable.
Word number 3 is sustainable. Sustainable means using resources carefully so they can last for a long time without harming the future. For example, sustainable farming helps the planet.
Great job. Keep learning with us.
Friends, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to Academy of English Excellence.